So you've downloaded the Klarna app. What's next? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to activate and set up your Klarna app so you can start shopping in minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Activating the app is really just about logging in or finishing your account setup. Let's dive in. Step 1 is, of course, to download the app. Head to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for Klarna, and hit download. Once it's installed, tap to open it. Now, if you already have a Klarna account, maybe you created one on their website, simply tap Login. Enter the email and password you used to sign up. You'll likely be sent a verification code to your email or phone to confirm it's really you. Enter that code, and your app will be fully activated and synced with your account. But if you're brand new to Klarna, you'll tap Sign Up. The app will guide you through the short process of creating your account. You'll need to enter your email, create a password, and provide some personal details for a quick identity check. This is where your spending power is determined. A crucial part of activation is enabling permissions. For the app to work best, allow notifications so you get payment reminders and transaction alerts. If you plan to shop in stores, allow location services to find nearby stores and also allow camera access to scan QR codes for easy checkout. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. That's your confirmation that the app is active and ready. I recommend taking a moment to navigate the tabs and get familiar with the layout. And that's all it takes. Your Klarna app is now activated and ready for your next shopping spree. If this was helpful, please show some love with a like. Got your app working? Let me know in the comments what you're planning to buy first. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.